some doors after problems with the government. More on that after the break. And Jason has a quick look at sports. What's up, Jason?
Hi, Brianna. We're gearing up for football this weekend as the Western Illinois football team is 1-0, but head coach Charlie Fisher has his hands full in week 2 against one of the top quarterbacks in the FCS. And JT Greider has a quick look at the weather.
Hi, Jason. Taking a look outside, we see that the clouds have really started streaming in, but they're going to be on their way out. I'll let you know just what the forecast holds coming up after the break.
Live from Salee Hall in high definition.
All right, JT, thank you.
Jason Chauvin joins us now with what's next in sports.
Thanks, Bree. The Western Illinois volleyball team opened up the renovated Western Hall on Tuesday night. Plus, the Macomb High volleyball team was also in action at home on Tuesday night as well. And the MHS football team looks to rebound at home this weekend. All that and more next on Live at 4. Welcome back to Live at 4. The Macomb High volleyball team was in action against Midwest Central High School on Tuesday night. The fans out in full force in a safari theme. We pick it up in the second set. MHS won the first set. Maddie Lawson with the rejection to keep it close for Midwest Central. And a kill by Emily Terrell drew the game to a 16-16 draw. The Lady Bombers would rebound though, as Courtney Thorman delivers a beautiful dig, and Anna Dively sends it back to put the Lady Bombers ahead again. Head coach Melissa Rexroth keeping her team focused during the timeout. Jordan Hare attempts the spike, but good defense by the Raiders keeps it alive, although Thorman has another dig, and Haley Coker is set up for the kill, and Lady Bombers, boy, are they feeling it. Ahead 24-17 now, Macomb keeps it alive for Alia Stone to tap it over the net, thus ending the set and the match. MHS defeats the Raiders in set 1, 25-18, and set 2, 25-17 to sweep Midwest Central. The Lady Bombers will be in action, taking the court again tonight away at Galesburg in the Galesburg Gymnasium starting at 7 p.m. Sticking with the Macomb High, the Bombers football team is coming off a tough home opener loss to Canton, but head coach Kelly Sears sees plenty of positive from the loss.
Positives, and the big thing is that I was very happy with, we played 22 minutes of flawless defense, and in the first half we played very well, and they got a score there with 2 minutes to go in the half, and then with about 45 seconds they got a fluke score and went up 14-0.
But you can catch the Bombers in action again this week as they take on Tolona Unity in the Bombers' second game of a 3-game homestand. Moving on to WIU now, the Leatherneck volleyball team played host to in-state rival Eastern Illinois on Tuesday. The Leathernecks take the court inside of a newly renovated Western Hall. We pick it up in the first set where WIU's Claire Groves shows off the muscle with a beautiful kill to put Western up 7-6 in the first set. Sticking in the first set where Kirshna Merriman and Mackenzie Steckler come up with a huge block to make it 10-8 in favor of WIU. Still in the first set, Hannah Walker sets up Shaylin Greenhaw perfectly for the kill, giving the Leathernecks the lead. Finishing off the first set now, Eastern trying to stay alive, but Shaylin Greenhaw and Riley Schumacher say no with a beautiful block to give Western the set point. Skipping now to the third set, even at 1 set apiece, Hannah Walker sets up Greenhaw again, but this time it goes out of play, giving Eastern the advantage 2-1. Moving to the fourth and final set, Walker sets up Greenhaw again, but she is denied by Abby Knight and Katie Sommer. Good showing by Riley Schumacher as she led the team with 12 kills and 2 blocks. The Leathernecks will be in action again tomorrow, taking on Green Bay at the Missouri State Joe Wynn Invitational. Moving over to the football field, the WIU football team will be in action this Saturday for their home opener against Northern Arizona Lumberjacks. WIU head coach Charlie Fisher knows the Leathernecks have to match Northern Arizona's up-tempo offense.
Northern Arizona's explosive, and in that game they had the ball on the 1-yard line. Took a penalty that cost them points. They had to settle for a field goal, but they're explosive. They got arguably the best quarterback in FCS football, Chase Cookus, 2 wideouts that can really go, and they put up points. You have to be able to score against these guys. Very talented, explosive team.
The Leathernecks meet Northern Arizona for the first time since 1967 this Saturday at 3 p.m. at Hanson Field. That's sports. Final word is next.